This is digital writing pad. With the use of this, we are going to solve max sums, and this is a stylus. Whatever we are going to write on this, it will be displayed on the screen clearly. So today I am going to deal with the chapter pair of linear equations in two variables. In that we will see with solving a linear equation or to get the solution of a linear equation. Here we have two methods, graphical method and algebraic method. And in algebraic method we have three methods. First is substitution method, elimination method, and last one is cross multiplication method. Today we are going to deal with substitution method in detail on screen using this writing pad. Today we will start with substitution method. So in this substitution method, now we have three steps to solve this to get the solution of pair of linear equation. So first we will take pair of linear equation. For example, now we are taking here 7x minus 15y equal to 2. First equation. Second, x plus 2y equal to 3. Equation number 2. Now our first step is we have to take either any one of the equation from the above two equations. That is, for example, if I am taking here x plus 2y equal to 3. Our first step is to convert one variable into another variable, that is x equal to 3 minus 2y. So here I have converted x in terms of y. That is our step 1. Step 2. Step 2 is whatever the value of x we got here, we have to substitute in the equation other than the equation whatever we have taken in step 1. That is, here the equation is 7x minus 15y equal to 2. Now we will substitute the value of x here, whatever we got in step 1, that is 3 minus 2y minus 15y equal to 2. Now 7 into 3 21 minus 14y minus 15y equal to 2. So this is nothing but 21 minus 29y equal to 2, that is minus 29y equal to 2. This 21 when goes on this side it becomes minus 21, therefore minus 29y is equal to 2 minus 21, that is 19. Minus on both the side gets cancelled, therefore finally we get y as 19 upon 29. This is our step 2. So now next step, that is step 3. Now in step 3, whatever the value of y we got, we will substitute in any one of the equation, that is either one equation or second equation, to get the value of another variable, that is x. So you can choose any one of the equation from the above whatever the equations we are taking. So I am taking the equation here x plus 2y equal to 3, and I am substituting the value of y whatever I got in step 2, that is x plus 2 into, we got the value of y as 19 upon 29, which is equal to 3. Therefore we will get as x plus 2 into 19, that is 38 upon 29, which is equal to 3. Therefore x is 3 minus 38 upon 29. Here LCM is 29, so we get as 87 minus 38, which is equal to 49. 9 upon 29. So we got the value of x. So for a given pair of linear equation, the solution of the equation is xy, that is 19 upon 29 and 49 upon 29. So in this substitution method, one thing you have to remember is when you are selecting the equation, select in such a way such that among the two equations, one equation which is having the less number value, that you take as your priority, because when you convert it, it will be easy for you to solve. And watch this video again and again to make your steps clear. Thank you.